This is Humidifier air cooler, Model AC4. This unit is used for increasing humidity content inside the room. This portable humidifier converts water into mist and spreads it around your location. Here are the main features of the device. This Centrifugal AC4 humidifier functions with adiabatic effect. That is, it allows the air to be humidified and cooled simultaneously. It has humidity capacity up to 4.5 liter per hour. This unit can humidify the area of 100 to 150 meters square. This device weighs approximately 7 kgs. This humidifier can be easily installed on a level surface or on a wall-mounted frame. Here is how it works. First, plug the device to the power outlet. Then switch it on by pressing the power button. This is the humidity setting button. You may set the humidity level as per your requirement. Humidifier AC4 can be used in domestic as well as industrial applications like warehouses, cold room, greenhouses, storage room, vegetable storage areas and so on. Humidifiers are supplied by Vacker in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, UAE, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Bahrain, and Oman.